And welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dannzy, and in today's video, you won't believe the drama. Just kidding. And so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, actually not showing you, I'm going to be organizing my makeup brushes. I had a bit of a mess with all my makeup brushes, so yeah, I'm just going to take you along with me as I organize them. And organize them. So yeah, if you guys want to see the storage that I use and where I got this storage from, then I'm watching. Okay, so I picked these guys up from Ross, and they got these like little dividers. So I got a white, one silver, and I got another silver. So I got another silver, so I have 3 altogether. Go ahead and put these over here. So I want to reorganize my makeup brushes, which are all here. I had these 2 at first, and then I went and picked up another one because I was running out of room. So I want to go ahead and get started with finding all my angled brushes in here. Okay, so I got my angled brushes. Here's an angled. They're kind of all over the place right now, which I don't like. Angled, 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 angled. And I'm actually going to do highlight brushes with the face brushes and keep all the eye brushes separate. So here's a highlight brush. I like to use this as a highlight brush. Put the highlight brushes there. Highlight, 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 highlight. I think I like this as a highlight as well. I didn't like it as an eyeshadow brush. Highlight. Man, this is just so much. Okay. So these pointier ones I'm going to put on this side. This is more rounded. This one is like got that little, I don't even know what shape that is. Foundation brush. And it sucks because like a lot of them got messed up in the thing, so foundation. I'm gonna have to make another one for foundation brushes because running out of space. Foundation, foundation. This, I don't even know where to put it. Let's put it foundation. Foundation. This one I'll also put with foundation. I think it's for like contouring. Contouring. Okay. Okay, this one is more rounded. Put that right there. Okay, so that's like a contour. Actually, I'll put like these side ones right there. Found another foundation brush. That's going to take up a whole lot of space. Okay. This one's kind of like that, so here's a pointed, pointed, kind of pointed. Let's put the pointed ones there. These ones are nice for contouring. It does like the so precise. Got another angled brush. Some highlight brushes. So I'm going to work on the eye brushes. Okay. My goodness. Okay, so this one's messed up. Okay. So these are like, I use like they're little shader brushes, which I use for eyeshadow, so those will go there. I'm thinking of taking the shorter ones out actually, and then I'll find like a little cup for them. So let's do crease brushes. So we'll put crease brushes there. Some more crease brushes. Crease, 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 Good crease. 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 Can you tell? Okay. Like anything that I use concealer for. Yeah, this one, yeah. So these are all like eyeliners, like for the underneath the lower lash line. I also like to use them for my eyebrows to clean up my eyebrows, and also like lip liners and stuff like that. So those I'll put over here. I'm gonna grab some pencil brushes out here just to get them out of the way. These are crease brushes. Crease. Okay. Pencils. So like the little detailing brushes and pencil brushes. Pencil brushes, detailing brushes. Put those there. I like to use this one as an eyeshadow. It's kind of like dome, but it works really well as an eyeshadow brush. These ones are tiny. I don't want to put those in there. Eyeliner brush. Eyeliner. Ooh, tiny that I don't want to put in there, because then I won't even see them. Oh, my back. This video, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a bit of like all over the place and kind of a mess, but yeah, I'm happy that they're all organized and where they're supposed to be. So yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in something like this as a storage for your brushes, I got these at Ross and they're very affordable. I'm gonna go back and see if they have another white one, just in case I get more brushes, or I feel like I actually do feel like these ones are a little bit cluttered and not liking it. I feel like there's just a little bit cluttered in there. So yeah, I might go pick up another white one if they have one. They usually have like, sometimes they'll have 2 or 1 or none. So you just gotta keep going back in and checking. But yeah, if you guys are looking for makeup brushes, good storage, Ross has got amazing like storage containers and stuff like that for your makeup brushes. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video.